Lane number 1, Lady Summer Orlando, Lane 2, Lady Jackson of Georgia, Lady Paul Robinson, Lane 4, Brian Ricardo of LSU, Lane 5, Crystal of South Carolina, Lane 6, Lady Stratton County, Lane 7, all the Arkansas have a lead of 26-45. And the second by 17. He was the quarterback for the 4-7.